Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Paris on the first leg of his three-nation tour. He will hold talks with French President François Hollande and meet top business leaders during the visit. During his 4-day stay, Prime Minister Modi will focus on talks on civil nuclear power, defence and trade. A highlight of his stay in France will be a boat ride with the French President, which is being described as Now Pe Charcha. The Prime Minister will also visit the World War I Memorial and pay tribute to about 10,000 Indians who lost their lives fighting alongside the French forces. Mr. Modi will also visit the UNESCO headquarters, an Airbus facility and the French Space Agency office. India is hoping that French companies will participate in the Make in India program initiated by Prime Minister Modi.
India and France are strategic partners, so the discussions between Prime Minister and President Hollande tomorrow will focus on areas of strategic cooperation, which include defense, they include nuclear, and when two leaders of two important countries meet, they will also discuss issues such as which create problems for the rest of the world, including terrorism. They will discuss international issues, including Security Council reform and various regional issues of interest to India and to France.
Prime Minister Modi's visit to France is indeed being seen as an exceptional one, especially for the flourish around it and the range of activity that he is going to be engaged in over these 2 days. In fact, the Make in India slogan is something that not just the Indian side is pushing for, but also the French side is echoing it with equal enthusiasm. In fact, the Indo-France strategic partnership goes back to 1998 when the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee had made his first trip to a Western country after India had done its nuclear tests. And the support that France gave at that time to India is something that continues to define the relationship between the two countries. Even today, in fact, India in a sense feels indebted to France. The other interesting thing is that Prime Minister Modi is not going to remain just here in Paris. He's going to travel all the way to Toulouse in the south of France, where he will be visiting the Airbus facilities, and he will also be making a trip to the French Space Center. He will then come back and go all the way to the north of France, where he will be making a visit to the memorial for Indian soldiers that died in the First World War. In fact, this is the first time ever that an Indian Prime Minister is making this visit, and it's perhaps a good opportunity for people to get to know of this story. Very few people in France know about this story, and it's also a story that had for a long time been forgotten back in India as well. The other interesting thing, and among the many firsts that are happening on this visit, is the boat ride on the Seine, which is going to be a first for President Hollande, or actually for Paris itself, because it's not very often that leaders take this ride on the Seine. In fact, what we have been hearing over here is that Prime Minister Modi wanted to make a sort of trip through all the prominent touristic spots here in Paris. He wanted something spectacular, and it was President Hollande who came up with this idea of doing the boat ride. So that is something which will perhaps distract the French media and the French public from the idea that they have is that the Indian Prime Minister is here to do some shopping, perhaps for Rafales and fighter jets and other French wear. In Paris with Mohammad Mursaleen, this is Nupur Tiwari for NDTV.